Hello everyone, Jeffrey here. I normally start my videos off with something awkward that happened while filming the video or something funny or something like that, but today I am starting with a plea. I need your help. Please, please subscribe. YouTube just changed the way their partner program works. It's really confusing. Someone messed up and now it's affecting everyone, especially small YouTubers. The bottom line is I need 1,000 followers by February 20th or I lose my ability to make money off of YouTube until I reach that. Is it the end of the world? No, I'll have 1,000 followers in a couple months, so it's not the end of the world, but I'd really like to have them by February 20th. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Please, just hit it. It's free. Just hit the button. Subscribe. It's so free and would really help me. And subscribe to your other small YouTubers' favorite channels too. Okay? Subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Here's a video. Hello, everyone. Hi. Welcome. What are we doing today? Well, I mean, I don't want to say it's not going to be like entertaining. Hopefully it's still interesting, but we're just taking care of some odds and ends. Like, this bad boy's got to come down and we get to throw him in the lake. It's apparently, well, now it's not as fun as burning him. Burning a Christmas tree, a dry Christmas tree, y'all, it is epic. They're like whoosh, like literally in like a couple minutes the whole, like, they're awesome. But it's also terrifying to think that that's in your house with electrical wires wrapped all around it. But anyway, we're gonna put it in the pond. It's a really good house for our little fish friends, so we're gonna take it out to the pond. So we got to get that taken care of. Also, I'm going to get the rest of this trim up. We've got to get this gorgeous, I think gorgeous. It's pretty. It's cool. It's pretty cool. We got to get this trim up. We've got some little nuggets here on the ends that all have to be taken off. The 1x2 was longer than the 1x3s. So those all have to be taken off so they can fit together, and we're going to do that. There's some other things. We're just going to get some odds and ends done. And then tomorrow we are going to frame out the over-counter storage right up in there. So anyway, odds and ends. Let's go. Christmas tree. Bam. Okay, now we have to figure out how to get this into the pond. It's not close. So we're just gonna have to drag it. Luckily it's so warm today, you guys, it's so warm. It is, well, it's 47 degrees, but that's really, really warm for north central Missouri on January 19th. And it was like -4, like 4 days ago, so. Okay, guys, so Christmas tree down, done. So now the first thing I'm gonna do is cut off all these nubs. I think I already showed you, but we've got all these nubs. They gotta go. They have to go. So I'm gonna cut all of those off, and then I'm gonna get some trim. Well, not the trim, I'm gonna get the brackets up. We've gotta go to Lowe's to get the screws. We're doing that tonight. I'll take you with me. Don't you worry, I know you want another trip to Lowe's with me. So yeah, let's go do that. Don't. I did buy McDonald's coffee. I don't mind it. But Jessica, if you're watching, it's nothing like this. My friend Jessica owns the most ridiculously amazing coffee. Plug Moby Roasters, MOBY Roasters.com. The most amazing Ugandan coffee. It is so good. She would not be impressed that I'm drinking McDonald's coffee. Anyway, let's cut these nubs. I'm rambling. Hey guys, so it's been really cold for a few weeks. Earl has not been started. As previously mentioned, it is like tropical basically today. It is 47. Actually, it's 45. It's fine. It's 47. So I'm going to take this opportunity. Whoops, I accidentally hit the button. So I'm going to take this opportunity to start Earl. He needs to be started. So his air intake is right up in here. So this is just, it's starting fluid. It's ether. Well, we call it ether. I don't know why it's called ether. So this helps a diesel engine start. I don't know why, but since I was a little kid, we use this on the farm. You spray it like in the air intake, and so, I don't know what it does. Somebody tell me what it does. I don't know. It helps the engine start. So it's been a couple weeks. I mean, I'm not worried, but Earl hasn't been started, so I'm gonna need you to cross your fingers, okay? Cross them. Oh, this battery's dead. No? Well, I wonder why he's not starting. I don't know. It says there's voltage in the battery, but I think it's dead. It's not even turning over. If it's more than that, then there's a starter problem. Ruh-roh. Okay, so I actually have a multimeter, I don't know what you call it. It's a electricity thing. It measures electricity. So I just need to remember the right setting, which I don't. And let's test these batteries. We have a battery charger. Hopefully that's it. I think it's not a big deal. I don't know. Let's find out. Bad news. The battery's fine. Oh boy. Here we go. Alright, I did what everyone in our family does in a crisis. I called Big Jack. He's not worried. He said it's probably just a bad connection somewhere. I just need to check the wiring. I've done a lot of finagling around, so fingers crossed that it's nothing big. It's not even turning over, so clearly the starter's not even getting electricity, I think. I don't know what I'm talking about. Why did I even say that? I'm an idiot. I'm not an idiot. Hey, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking. And well, I am an idiot sometimes, but not really. Hey, okay, anyway, let's hang these up. These are the brackets for my trim. I'm gonna get these in. We're going to Lowe's tonight. We're gonna get screws. We're gonna get some other stuff for other things. But let's get these up where they go. Oh man, some of these are being a real pain in the bum. For instance, this precarious situation right here. No! Oh, it went behind the wall! No! Oh. Heavens to Murgatroyd. Man alive. Oh. I got this. But the screw went under. Man! Gosh, can't I just pay someone to do this? Not this, like everything. It's part of the adventure, blah, blah, blah. Ugh. I don't know, guys. Ugh. I should have done this before I put this framing in. That's what I should have done. But guess what? I didn't. Let's go from the other side, maybe? Probably not, but maybe. Just a stove here, a giant wood stove. Ugh. Oh boy, guys. I'm gonna make you watch this. I'll let you know when I success. Okay, let's get the rest of these in. Done. We're ready to rust those screws. We're ready to get the trim up. I've got to go to Lowe's, get those screws. I'm gonna call it a day. Next time we'll do all that stuff. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Did I just hear you say that you desperately want access to insider information and special perks? Well, check out my Patreon page right here. And don't forget to subscribe right here, or just watch another video right here. Do all the things. Do them all.